Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Mico. So let's get started. First, open your Mico application. Now, tap on the search icon and then search for the person that you would like to block. Tap on the username of the person that you'd like to block. Now, tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of the person's profile page. Among these two options, tap on the block option. If you are sure, tap on the confirm button. And this is how you can block someone on Mico. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.